Oh, central bank governor is the chairman of the board.
He's the chair. He's the one who decides what the board will do. So in the history of Nigeria, there is no powerful person that has a power
like him
to spend money as he wants, like him. If he wants chairman, in less than 1 hour you can be a billionaire today.
If you want to make
if he want to make you a billionaire in less than 1 hour, he will now call you and say, chairman, I give you allocation of $10 million in official rate, 400 plus.
And I will sell it 600.
No, you don't need. They will just tell the one bank. The bank will call you, chairman, we have 10 million, we will buy it as 670. So each dollar you have at least 280 naira or 270 naira.
Times 10 million.
So times 10 million. So what you will do now, what do you want? Do you want us to open the account with us to put you the money, or you need to put in your account? The difference. In less than 1 hour, you are in your bedroom. You don't even come son to touch you. You will receive alert. Did him.
Oh, central bank governor is the